Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video I'm going to be recycling these, but we're going to glam them up some because they don't have to look like jars. Okay, so what I want to do is decorate right around this rim first. Let me tell you what we'll be using. I am going to use the contact paper, and I cut it in such a way that I'm going to use it as a label. Okay, so we're going to decorate with the marble paper. This paper I got it at the Walmart. Okay, then we are going to be decorating and embellishing with the rose mesh. I got that on Amazon online. The bling wrap, I got this at the Dollar Tree. Okay, and we may or may not be using this black ribbon. I'm not really sure if we even need to, but in case I decide to, I got this grosgrain ribbon in the black, and so we may be using that. So, okay, let's get started, guys. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to lay this jar down. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to run that rose mesh right around the rim of this jar, of both jars. So let's just get started with that. Okay, and so that's what we have so far. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do the next one. Okay, so that's what this looks like. So what that does is just kind of camouflage the top of that rim so you don't see those ribs on the top there. Because what we're going to be doing is we're going to hot glue, we're going to use the lid as a stand, and we're going to hot glue that jar right on top of that stand. And it's already gold, so I'm really happy about that. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to put some hot glue on this jar. I'm sorry, on the lid. Then we're going to center this quickly as best as we can. Alright. I'm just going to turn it around. Okay, and so this is what we have so far, guys. It's not pretty. So now I always have a paper towel with some glass cleaner when I'm working with these kind of crafts. So I'm just going to wipe it down before I put the marble contact paper on it. Okay. Place that here. Now I'm going to pull back the contact paper, and we're going to try to center this as best as we can. Then you use your fingers to smooth that out. Don't pull the paper all the way out right away. Go slowly so that you have a smooth, so that it winds up being nice and smooth. Then slowly you go pulling the paper back. Okay. See, and what that looks like is a label. And so you can go ahead with a marker if you want. I don't want to do that. I just want to give it an appearance of a label, and I wanted it to look like a marble label. So that's how that's looking so far. But what I'm going to do also here, because and it just seems like it needs a little something. So I'm going to go ahead and put some bling wrap all the way around that label. Okay? Okay, so there's one. Isn't that beautiful, guys? So it is my work. It is for my work area, but who says we can't glam up our work area? Oops, I moved this. All right, let's see. Got it. I'm just trying to grab those glue sticks, those glue strings. Alright guys, so this is what we have here. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? You don't even want to put anything in it, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and put my paint brushes in this one. So that one's done. Peel that back. Contact paper, we're using it as a label, and I think it's a really good idea. Okay, so we're not going to pull it all the way back because we want to center it, and then we want to use our finger to make sure we don't get any bubbles. Okay. Okay, isn't that beautiful, guys? Look at this. This is so pretty. You can put makeup brushes in here. I'm using it for supplies, but you can pretty much use this anywhere in your home. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.